What is up, guys, and welcome back to another exciting video with your boy KD. Welcome to the Baby Shirt Gang if you are a subscriber. If not, welcome to the Strongest family on YouTube, and make sure you do two quick things. Tap that little like button until it turns blue, and make sure you also subscribe and turn on the notification bells. Why? So that you will know the next time we drop a brand new video. You can win a bunch of free stuff too. So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about how you can earn up to $500 per day, literally just copy and pasting. And I know that might sound too good to be true, but it actually gets better because you can do this from anywhere in the world. You don't need a single website. You don't need a credit card. You literally don't need anything to actually take advantage of this method besides just your good old fingers and, a computer and an internet connection, which you basically need no matter how you make money online. So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about an awesome tool that I've used in the past myself, and that we've now kind of figured out into a unique way of creating an actual business around this tool. Because the cool thing about making money online is you really just need to be creative to actually find new and exciting ways to do it. And that is what we are the best in the world at. Finding creative ways for you to make money online from anywhere in the world with no experience necessary and no money needed to get started. So let's jump into my screen, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you can make literally up to $500 per day just by copy and pasting. All right, guys, welcome into my screen. So you can see right here, we're actually gonna be talking about an SEO tool called Mangools. Now, I've used this tool in the past. It's a really awesome way that you can actually, as somebody who really knows nothing about SEO, which of course stands for search engine optimization, can do very basic things that will actually help your website rank on Google. And now you might be saying to yourself, but Kevin, I don't have a website. I don't need to rank it on Google. Well, the truth is there are millions of businesses out there that do need to rank their websites on Google, and that can make a significant amount more money by getting their site actually ranked on Google for the keyword that they're actually talking about, right? Maybe a dentist in New Jersey or a doctor in Delaware. There's all these millions of businesses out there, insurance agents, real estate agents, plastic surgeons, so many more that need help with their online presence, right? That need help actually ranking their site on Google, and 99% of businesses out there don't know a single thing about this. And so with very basic knowledge, you can make a huge amount of money doing this. And the cool thing is, we're not even going to be doing any type of service. All we're gonna be doing is literally copy and pasting a script that I've already set up. You guys can see right here. We're not gonna put it on too long, that you guys literally can copy and paste and send out to thousands of business owners. You can even get virtual assistants to help you, or your friends or your family, and you can make a huge amount of money actually doing this, literally just by brute forcing. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how. But let's talk about exactly what Mangools is. So Mangools basically allows you to find keywords, see where you rank on the search engine result page, track your rankings, find powerful ways to get backlinks that actually help your site rank. Now, this doesn't even need to be important to you, but it is good to have a baseline knowledge of exactly how this works. So if you're ever talking to actual business owners, that you can at least sound like you know what you're talking about. And the cool thing is, Mangools feels so confident in their service, they'll give you a free 10-day trial with no credit card required, right? Which is super cool. So what we're gonna do, and you can read more about Mangools, right? There's a lot of different stuff here. It's a really beautiful site. What I like about it is they're trusted by some huge companies, right? Airbnb, Alexa, Skyscanner, Adidas, right? All these different massive companies. They even have free learning materials about, how to learn about SEO and lots of really cool stuff. But, what we want to look at is their actual affiliate program. So if we come down here, we can see their affiliate program is right here. Another thing that I like about it is they actually have a testimonials page where it talks about all the different people, who actually really like the page, and, their reviews and things like that. But what we're mainly concerned with is their affiliate program. Now, you can see right here, over 500,000 users have tried Mangools, and the average monthly payout is close to $500, which you can see right here, they have a 30% lifetime commissions for everybody that you refer. So you guys can see right here, with a single sale, you can make close to $300 if they actually choose the annual plan. And so we're actually gonna click Start Earning Now. You're gonna create your free account, and then we're gonna actually grab our affiliate link, which I'm gonna show you how to do right now. All right, guys, so once you actually get into your account, set your account up, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come into the affiliate program right here. You're gonna go to affiliate terms, and you're gonna go to get promo materials. Now, these are your actual promo code links, right? You can see that they have some other stuff. They have like banners and press kits and stuff like that. But really what we're mainly concerned with is our actual affiliate code right here, which you can see is this A51 that says their affiliate ID. So we're gonna click copy here, and then we are going to actually use this affiliate link inside of this script that we actually built for you guys. Now, if you guys want this script, make sure you actually head over into Facebook and join our Marketing Ninjas group. You can see there's over 102,000 members. You guys can get this script and so much more, and so much help with digital marketing, and a million different things that is super helpful, and with 100,000 other people who are doing the same thing. This is the actual outreach script. You can see right here there's some example subject lines for emails. You can also see that you want to put your Mangles affiliate link right here. We're going to grab this link like I just said. We're gonna actually fill it in right here. Later on in a few minutes, we're gonna shorten this link to make it a little bit prettier. But for now, we're just gonna keep it there. And of course, you'd put your name here, you'd put the name of the business and things like that. And so what we're actually gonna do now with this script is we are going to reach out to businesses that could use this actual Mangles tool, so that every time one of them signs up, we could earn up to $300 per sign up for these actual businesses. So what we want to do is, you like to assume a 1 to 3% conversion rate, meaning for every 100 businesses that you reach out to, between 1 and 3 of them are actually going to sign up. But if 3 of them actually sign up, right, that means that you could actually earn up to $900 for those businesses who did sign up. So we're gonna take this script right here. You can see it says, hey, my name is whatever your name is. I noticed that, your company, maybe it's like Sunny Isles Dental or something like that, could easily rank higher on Google, and you're missing out on a lot of customers. There's a tool used by big brands like Airbnb and Adidas. It's very easy to use and is guaranteed to get your business ranked higher on Google, which means more customers. I don't want to sell you anything, but it might be worth checking out. Worst that could happen is it doesn't work, but they're so confident it will, they'll give you a free 10-day trial, no credit card required, and then all you do is put your affiliate link. Now, assuming 3% of businesses sign up, that means that 3 out of 100 will sign up. That means you could make potentially $900, and you could definitely reach out to 100 businesses in a day. If you're hustling, 1,000 businesses or more in a week, if you're truly hustling, or you have, help and virtual assistants helping you. So how do you actually find these businesses to reach out to? Well, that's a great question. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to a tool called Marketer Magic. Now, Marketer Magic is one of the best tools when it comes to digital marketing, all things digital marketing, creating agencies and things like that. So the first thing that we're gonna do once we get inside of Marketer Magic, well, the first thing I really recommend watching Marketer University. It's like a free $5,000 course, completely for free. You can also join their live daily trainings, which is super awesome, and again, completely free to do, but you can learn so much about digital marketing and more completely for free. You guys can see that they're every single day here. So I definitely recommend checking out Marketer University, joining the live training, joining the Facebook group. You can even message them on actual Facebook Messenger. So there's a lot of really awesome resources. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna click many leads right here, and we're actually gonna go to create campaign. We're gonna call this one Miami Plumbers. Let's just say plumbers. You can use plastic surgeons, you can use doctors, dentists, real estate agents, insurance agents, any form of business that needs more customers, which is basically every business. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna enter plumbers, and we're gonna actually put in Miami right here. And we're gonna press show leads. Now, what's gonna happen is Many Leads and Marketer Magic are going to go out and scan, tens of millions of results all throughout the state of different plumbers. You guys can see that there's over 1,500 total entries just for plumbers just in Miami, right? So you can do this in any number of cities. You can automate this. You can get virtual assistants to help you and things like that. But what you can see is these are their emails right here. These are their numbers. These are their addresses. There's even social media, right? And you can even open up some of their websites right here. And on their actual websites, you can find contact forms where you can actually send your name, right? So you could put in, Kevin David. You could put your email address, kevindavid@gmail.com. And then for the message, we would just take our outreach script right here, and we would actually just copy and paste this, this message right here. And we would just make sure that, you actually put their name. Hey, my name is Kevin David, and I noticed that Extreme Pumping Solutions could easily rank higher This is a tool used by a lot of big businesses. I don't want to sell you anything, and then you would just put your actual affiliate link. Again, you can shorten the link if you want with a tool like Marketer Magic, with a tool like Bitly. You would just sign it your name, right? You click I'm not a robot and you submit it, right? Now, is everybody gonna answer? Absolutely not, right? 97% of people say no to me in my own businesses, and I have a multi-8-figure business, right? And so if you can do this on a scale, even if 97%, even if 99% of people say no to you, you can still make a huge amount of actual money doing this. And so we're gonna reach out to these people. We're gonna go to the next people. We're gonna go to their contact us form, right? We can also shoot them a message here. We can also just go directly into Marketer Magic and start emailing these people one by one by one by one by one, right? Emailing all of them. You can use automation tools like Gmass. You can use autoresponders like MailChimp and things like that. But if you send too many too fast, your account's gonna get shut down for spam. So I like to do it a little bit slower. You can read articles about how fast you can actually do it. You can reach out to them on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter too. But the more people that you reach out to, guys, the more people who are gonna click your link, sign up for a completely free trial, and then ultimately can earn you up to $300 per sale to actually improve their business, right? Because the cool thing is you're actually making them money if they sign up, because it means that they can actually improve their SEO presence, rank higher on Google, and if they rank higher on Google, of course, they're gonna actually get more customers, right? And so it's kind of a win-win for everybody, a free trial, and you make money, which is kind of a really cool thing that doesn't happen particularly often. So make sure you do join the Facebook group, guys. It's called Marketing Ninjas. There's over 102,000 members. It'll help you a lot. The script is in there. You guys will love it. Promise, if you can't find it, feel free to just make a post inside of the group asking for the script. And if you guys enjoyed this video, do me a quick favor and comment "Make Money Online" down below. And if we get 500 comments that say "Make Money Online," then we will actually drop a brand new video that we've never put out before next week, showing you a new and awesome way to actually make money on the internet. And if you haven't already, make sure you tap the like and subscribe button, and make sure you join our other 2 brand new YouTube channels, the Kevin David Experience, our top 25 podcast, and also More Kevin David, where we go live every single week teaching you the best ways to make money online and be financially free. Or if you want to keep hanging out on this channel, we have a brand new playlist of awesome videos coming to you live in 3, 2, 1. Click the playlist in the middle of the screen, guys. See you there. Click it. Come on, click it. Do it. Click the playlist. Okay, you don't have to, but I promise you'll like it. Click the playlist. See you soon. Peace.